Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a digital camera. I absolutely love it. Let's see what you got in the box. So you get this really cool retro looking camera, as my daughter says. And then you have a selfie screen that pops up right there. So this is great to carry because this is it. You have everything that you need. You can attach your tripod to this. It comes with the little screw thing on the bottom, and it also comes with a battery that you need to put in. So we're just going to open this on the bottom, pop that in, and then close it again. I did already pre-charge this, and it comes with a USB charging cord. You also get a cleaning wipe, and you get a carrying strap if you want. So this has 64 gigabytes of memory. Again, the card is already in there when you get the camera. I love this. It says card inserted on the card case, just so in case you forget, you know. And then you have this great flip screen, 18 times zoom, autofocus feature, and I love this has a ring light, and wait for this, a pop-up flash right there. So for the pop-up flash, you can push it down, and then right here, you push this little guy, and then it pops up. You're going to turn this on right here, and then your camera is on. And this is where you are going to control your menu. So here is your menu, very, very easy to use. You get this great guide. You're going to want to hang on to this because it gives you all of the details that you're going to need to use your camera. So what I love is this is literally just a point and shoot. I'm gonna take a picture of my girl Peppa over here. She's sleeping. I'm gonna take two. I'm gonna take one that is just a normal shot. And then with this T and W, I am going to zoom in on her and take another picture. And then I can go on the back and go to all of my pictures, and there she is. So this little button right here will scroll through your photos, and there is the picture that is with no zoom, and then there it is with the zoom. One of the other features that I love is that you can easily toggle between video and picture mode by just touching this M here. You can see now I am in video mode, and now I am in camera mode. So easy and so convenient. With this little clock button here, it looks like a little timer. That is how you can conveniently turn on the timer so that if you're taking a selfie, you have time to get in the frame before the picture takes. Your flash button is very convenient. So just from your flash button here, when you press up, it turns it on auto, and then always on, and then the third press turns on your selfie light, and that is amazing. You get the selfie ring light, which makes you look amazing and is so convenient because you don't have to take your selfie light with you. So when you have your selfie light on and you have your screen up, you can either use the timer function or press the button and you have taken your photo. Try that now with my tripod. And then let's go back and look at the picture, and there it is. This little camera packs such a great punch. It is so easy to use. It is so easy to charge, so easy to connect to your computer with the included USB cords so that you can download your pictures and edit anything that you may need to. So lightweight, so convenient. This just fits in your pocket or in your purse. Loving this one. Definitely check it out.